You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is a number. Let's break down how to pronounce that. One of the longest words in English. If you want to learn more complicated long names, make sure to stay tuned. I think it's 54 billion. That's what it represents. Quinquagintaquadringentilliard. All right, let's break it down again. Quinquagintaquadringentilliard. Some may argue that the G may be soft. I think it is. It is a G sound in both cases. Let me trace what kind of number this is. So it's a crazy number. Well, let us know and explain to us if you know what number this is. Appreciate it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.